Thank you for your interest in oDesK. oDesK is the only solution that gives you literal visibility into your remote workers' activity. Our online collaboration and management solution lets buyers hire, manage, and pay remote workers as if they were in the same office. Buyers can see exactly what their service providers are working on through the oDesK work diary with detailed screenshots, memos, and activity levels. With oDesK, you can see the code, communications, and deliverables as they are developed. We also give other communication and project management tools to take the hassle out of remote management. Start by logging into My oDesK. The oDesK team room is where you can create a job opening, search for professionals, manage your remote team, end assignments, and leave feedback. Before you hire someone, you need to create a job opening. Give your job opening a title, the skills required, and a detailed description including duration and whether it is a full-time or part-time position. Once saved, this opening will be available on the jobs page for oDesK providers to view and apply for an interview. Most job openings receive 10 applications within the first 24 hours. You can search the oDesK provider network and interview providers relevant to your opening. The oDesK provider network consists of over 1,300 tested and screened freelancers and affiliate providers from around the world. We accept less than 25% of the providers who apply. The search results are sorted by oDesK hours, which is the number of hours the provider has worked in the oDesK system. You can also sort by the hourly rate, availability, oDesK feedback score, last date worked, country, or the affiliate firm. Note that the hourly rate is the final cost to you and includes oDesK fees. You can view a provider's profile by clicking on his title. At the top, you'll see some quick facts verified by oDesK, including their work history on the oDesK network, English skills as ranked by oDesK recruiters, feedback from previous assignments, test scores to validate technical capability, and technical certifications. The profile also contains a complete resume including skills, experience, education, and their previous work history. Once you find a provider you like, you can select them for an interview. Please keep in mind that it is your responsibility to interview and hire the right person for your job. Once hired, the provider will be added to your team room. You can communicate with anyone on your team by email, instant message, or oDesK Share. To see what someone has been working on, click on their work diary. The work diary gives you unprecedented visibility into your remote workers' activity and allows you to monitor progress on your assignment. The work diary shows detailed screenshots and webcam shots of the provider taken at 10-minute intervals. You can see the title of the application they are working on, a work memo with detailed description and task tracking numbers, and activity levels counting mouse and keyboard clicks. The work diary creates literal visibility across the entire team and allows buyers to manage their workers, sometimes even better than if they were in the same office. The team room also gives you access to other valuable tools, including Time Analyze, which offers several reports and charts showing time worked by your team, oDesK Share, our screen and desktop sharing application, an email distribution list, a Subversion source coding repository for transferring files, and a Bugzilla account for bug tracking. Use of Bugzilla and Subversion is optional but recommended. You also have access to a complete history of currently active and ended assignments in the Assignments tab. Here you can end assignments that have finished and leave feedback for the provider. This feedback becomes part of the provider's oDesK score. oDesK makes payments to your remote workers easy. We give you detailed time logs of hours worked and charge your credit card each week. Every Tuesday, you'll receive a time log showing you how much work your team has performed in the past week. You can verify their time by drilling in the detailed work diary. Your credit card will be charged weekly by oDesK for hours worked by your team. oDesK is the only service that bills you only for work performed. This allows you to manage costs as your workload and requirements change. We hope this has been a useful introduction to the oDesK remote work solution. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to working with you.